Hello and welcome to Home Gupshup. Since this is a festive season, I'm sure we all expect last minute guests at home, and same was the case with me. I had some boiled potatoes left in the fridge, so I knew I could make use of those for many easy snacks, and a few half cut veggies were also remaining.
It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest.
So, when I was listing down all the things I wanted to make, I thought of making them all in a healthy way. I got this beautiful and revolutionary air fryer by Cosori this morning, and I had to use it to make delicious recipes for sudden guests today. Compared to the Cosori Classic Air Fryer, the 6-liter Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer operates 46% faster. I believe this air fryer is the ideal option for unexpected or last-minute guests because it cooks food quickly and eliminates the need for me to constantly monitor the recipes.
Anywhere you go, I'll see. You're never lost alone.
I will also be sharing interesting ways to present the same recipes in a unique way and an easy table arrangement with the DIY as well. So keep watching till the very end to not just get quick recipe ideas but also a DIY and table arrangement. In order to make use of the boiled potatoes, I decided to make an achari aloo tikka, which is not only healthy but super fast to make. We will be cutting all the veggies in a triangular shape and then coat them with a very few basic ingredients which most of us would have at home. If not, we can even skip some of them. The idea is to grill the veggies and then serve them with a tangy flavor. Now, to add that tangy achari flavor I'm talking about, you may either use the store-bought achari spice mix or the spices I used in addition to yogurt and a tablespoon of roasted besan. We will also be adding coarsely ground fennel seeds. Combine all ingredients thoroughly and cook them just once the visitors have arrived. Mix everything well and we will keep these ready for when the guests are here. So these skewers are ready to be served hot later on. No seu flutuar, as coisas não vão se encaixar se você se cobrar demais. I'm simply going to tap on the preheat mode of this air fryer and continue with my work. Pierce all the veggies one by one, keeping a good mix of potatoes and capsicums. To achieve a beautifully brown texture on the vegetables, we'll be utilizing the grill option on this air fryer.
You told me on multiple occasions you weren't gonna love no one like you love me. We'll never be that innocent again.
I can easily fit all the skewers at once because it's pretty large and has an XL capacity. To give you an estimate, this size can easily contain roughly 20 chicken wings. Yeah, that's right. In this manner, the cooking time for each recipe will be significantly reduced. The beautiful display screen on top, I think, enhances the overall look of this area for me. Here are a few muffin liners, and I am not going to bake anything. I will simply use them to serve a dessert recipe, so keep watching to know how I did that. In the meantime, putting the kebab sticks in the air fryer to cook. The tastes will be tailored to your preference by the Auto 5-speed fan. That, in my opinion, is what sets this new Cosori Airfryer apart from the competition. The one thing we all definitely have in our homes is bread. At least I do. Today I am going to be making use of bread in this recipe and also in an instant dessert recipe that is our personal favorite to make during festivals.
Can you wait for me?
This one is a no-brainer and trust me, it hardly needs any time to make. I think this could be a good snack option for kids after their playtime.
Sleep alone.
Basically, we'll be mixing the bell peppers and onions with some shredded cheese and optional corn, which I have some, so I'm using it. All you have to do is combine these ingredients, store them in the refrigerator and add the spices just when it's time to serve the visitors. The spices include nothing but salt and chili flakes.
Wait for me. Yes, I will wait for you. If you wait for me.
We will now assemble this easy peasy snack idea which I call bread pockets, and you'll know why. But first I'm going to serve our kebab sticks with achari aloo just as they are in smaller bowls. To make it easier for everyone to remove the vegetables from the stick and into this bowl, I'll also be providing smaller forks later on. If I tell you that this dessert takes only 5 minutes, will you believe me? Well, this is an instant rabdi that only needs some milk and a bit of ground bread. Bread is always there in my fridge, so making use of that again. To that we can add milk powder or khoya, whatever you may have. Since this is last minute for me, I only had milk powder at home. A tablespoon or 2 of condensed milk is optional, but it does make the recipe very creamy. Mix everything well and in no time this recipe will thicken. Once cooled, rabdi will get thicker in consistency. We will return to the bread pockets while the rabdi is resting in the refrigerator. In simple ways, we need to press down on the bread and use a little water to moisten the edges. We can seal the pockets better with this. You can try whether it works for you. Sometimes it's easier to seal the bread even without the water. I adore this dish for an easy evening snack that pairs well with tea. All we need to do is position the mixture in the middle and fold the bread over. Use a toothpick to seal. Since I was pressed for time, I also brushed some olive oil on the outside, but I would suggest dabbing on some melted butter instead. No, my friends, if you're thinking that I'm using the air fryer a little too much and it'll consume a lot of energy, we don't need to worry about that because Cosori Turbo Blaze uses a lot less energy, roughly 0.2 kilowatt hours for 500 grams of French fries. So that should give you an idea. In about 4 minutes, the bread pockets were cooked in the air fryer, so I didn't have to wait very long. Avoid over browning them as this may cause the bread to become dry. I will fill them up since our rabdi was now kind of at room temperature. To ensure that the dessert's shape holds, it's a good idea to let it set completely while in the mold. Eventually I wanted to remove the exterior black mold that you can see, but for now I think I was liking it the way it looked. This part is totally optional, but since I had some mini gulab jamuns at home, I decided to serve the rabdi with them. If you can, then quickly get some gulab jamuns from the sweet store nearby and only make the instant rabdi at home, which hardly takes any time. I wanted to set the dessert aside in the fridge so that it would get proper time to chill.
Can't touch the bottom.
I wanted to decorate the table a bit in the festive way, and in one of my previous videos I had tried making atta diyas that were really appreciated by my friends.
Out of my skin.
So this time I made use of pink colored dough, which I made using beetroot water. And I plan on making multiple diyas in order to make the environment more festive. Well, this isn't much needed, but since Diwali is almost here, I thought, why not?
Before I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with fadeaway light poles, unaware of where my heart.
If you have time before your guests arrive, then do give this DIY a chance. We'll make multiple flower petals this ways and place them in the shape of a flower.
And the water feels like a friend.
I've already started preheating the air fryer for the next snack recipe, as this is a quick one and doesn't need much time.
Like a lover who lost its heart.
I had some extra corn in the fridge and I decided to make an easy and quick snack with it.
Now it seems I'm so curious. How'd I wind
Basically, we have to grind some corn, not too much. We will make use of the boiled potatoes too and a bit of cheese. After that, things like chili flakes, green chilies are optional, but they do add a lot more flavor to the recipe. I also added coriander that I love in most of my dishes. A bit of corn flour is added too. Now we'll be adding breadcrumbs depending how wet or dry the mixture is. Adding breadcrumbs will depend totally on that, so just add enough so that it's easy to form the balls. Prepare a corn flour slurry and use it to coat the corn cheese balls along with breadcrumbs. You may deep fry these to add extra flavor. I will choose to air fry this time since all that time I can use to assemble the rest of the things.
It wouldn't be the same without you here. You're my gravity that levels all my fears. Let's slip away, far away from all this noise. Alone with our shadows, feel our hearts beating warm. I feel it.
Honestly, the XL capacity makes it very easy for me to fit everything in the air fryer, and I don't have to continuously monitor anything.
As we dream, you won't know till you try. Under the moonlight.
For the sake of this video, I've prepared and assembled everything somewhat ahead of time, but you're welcome to assemble everything right before the guests are there. Recipes like achari aloo, corn cheese balls and even bread pockets can be completed in whole and refrigerated until the very last minute. and then you heat them up or cook them only when the guests have arrived. This air fryer also has a reheat option, so I'm going to make use of that in my case. The kebab sticks took about 8 minutes to cook completely in the air fryer, and the bread pockets about 4 to 5 minutes max. Same for the cheese balls. I'm going to be serving everything on the table, making use of the DIY diyas I had made earlier. I think the color pink brightens up the space. If you wish, consider only adding turmeric to the dough. That brings out a beautiful yellow color. Consider using colors that can add a contrast from the base color of the table. Well, I also added some dry fruits since they are a mandatory thing in our home. I hope these suggestions and ideas will help you entertain your family and guests with a lot of love and care. Should you want to try these recipes with an air fryer, you should consider purchasing the newest and most revolutionary Cosori Airfryer, which you can find the link to in the description box. I'm wishing you many enjoyable days filled with joy and celebration in the upcoming weeks. See you guys next week.